ka ek. First letter is ek ka ek. Very good. Good, Grithvik. Finish, Ravan. Show me. One by one, please call out and show me, children, whether you have written it correctly. Call out and show me, okay? If not, I'm not able to view everyone. Good. Shravan, correct. Ek. Next. I saw from Grithvik, very good. Sai Charan, you have to unmute and show me, ma. Otherwise, I won't be able to see you. Mathvin. Satvik, Dayanand, come on, show me one by one. Shravan, mute yourself, ma. Shravan, mute karo. Roshan, finished? Correct. Ek. Now, second word. Tug. Tug. Robber. Say tug, we have learned, right? Remember which ta you have to write. Is it first ta or the second ta? Think and then you have to write. Which ta you will write? Ta say tomato ta or ta say tug? That ta you will write. First ta or second ta? Why Roshan confused? Okay, second ta. I myself will tell you. Second ta. Okay? Tug, tug. Masvin, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't show me, ma. Yeah. Ek only have written. Tug you didn't write. You didn't even write the date also. Lakshraj. Namaste, Lakshraj. Prithvi, correct, ma.
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Namaste, Lakshraj. Come on. First word is ek. Lakshraj. Hindi note में लिखो. आजा, जल्दी. What you have written, ma Dayanand? I know this is a word, dictation word. Ek. How will you write ek? Wait, I'll show you. Like this, you have to write ek. Ek. Next one is tug. Robber, tug. Very good, ma Sai Charan. But together, Sai Charan, how we have written is, we have written the separately and ga separately, right? Not like this, Sai Charan. Together, you have to draw a line. Because it's the same word.
Okay, ma'am.
Different words. Okay? Yeah, same words. So together, you will draw the line.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma, Nivin.
Good evening, ma'am.
Namaste, Nivin.
Namaste.
Okay, come on, take your Hindi notebook and write these two words. First one is ek and the second one is tug. For everyone, I am telling you, you have to draw a single line for both the letters. Then only it will be a word or else it will stay still as a letter. Okay? Yes, take your Hindi notebook and write, ma.
Which one?
Hindi notebook, take your Hindi notebook, take a fresh page and write. Hindi notebook, 4-line notebook.
Ma'am, we are in native place, ma'am. We didn't take that.
Okay, write in your rough notebook. Yeah, Roshan, little bit closer, Roshan. Have written like this, tug. Correct, Roshan's mom?
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Good. Lakshraj, finish?
He's right, ma'am.
Finished, Good. Okay, shall we move on to the third word?
Ma'am.
Very good. Third is Ag. Ag, fire. Ag means fire. For that, first letter is A. Second letter is Gajar Ga. First letter is you will write no? That's A. And the second letter is G. Gajar Ga. Gajar Gamla Ga. That Ga you have to write. So it is Ag. Together, when you blend it, it becomes Ag. Ag. Laksh, what are you doing, Laksh?
Lighting, ma'am.
I don't think you are writing. Litlia. Very good. Ag. Good children. What is Ag? Ag is?
Fire. Fire.
Will you touch Ag? Will you go and touch Ag? Yes or no? What will happen if you touch Ag?
Broke out your hand. Broke out your hand.
What? What is he saying?
Burn your hands.
You will burn your hands. Oh, okay.
Burn your hands.
Okay, good. Okay, now the fourth word. Check. Ma'am is going to write the third word. Check how many of you have written it correctly. First letter is A. Second letter is G. Ag. Together. Everyone has written it correctly. Ag. Check it down. Check it. Arjun, you have to take your Hindi notebook and write Arjun. Nevin also look at the slate and write my Nevin. Try to write.
This book.
Hindi notebook, 4-line notebook you have, no, for Hindi?
Okay, ma'am.
That notebook you have to take and you have to write all these 3 words. Ek, tag, ag. Ek means 1. Tag means robber. And what is ag? Ag is? What is ag, Arjun?
Fire, ma'am.
Fire. Very good. Ag means fire. Okay, shall we move on to the fourth word? Ready?
Yes.
Arm. Arm. First letter is A and the second letter is Ma. Oh, sorry, Ma, I have not taught you, no? Wait, we'll change the word, okay? Okay, we'll change it. Jad. Jad. Jahaj, that you have to write and da you have to write, okay? Fourth one is Jad. Jad. Think and write which ja you will write. First ja or the second ja. Ma'am is not stressing and pronouncing it, no? So it will be the first ja. Jahaj ja. And the. Jad. Yes, Roshan? Very good, Ma Satvik. Jad. Jad. Good, Shravan. Shravan, little bit. Lift your notebook and show me. Ag letter, come on. Shravan. Yes, Ma. Sai Charan, good. Shravan, show me your letter Ag. Closer. Yes, ma'am, Shravan.
Yes, ma'am.
Lift it up. Lift it up. Okay. But girl, little bit, you have to bring it down, ma. Girl, little bit down. It is looking like na. We have learned no Ravan that na. It is looking like that. Okay. So little bit you bring it down that curve. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Thank you, Shravan. Next letter. Shall we move on to the next word? Ready? Jad. Lakshraj finish, ma. Jad. Jad. How many of you are looking at the book and writing it? I saw someone looking at the book and writing it. Jad. You saw the book and wrote. Who was that? I was able to identify. Yeah, good, ma. Very good. Very good, Lakshraj, mom. You have already drawn a line for him, ma. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next is eek. Eek. Kha. See, I'm stressing and pronouncing it, right? Kha means you'll write the second kha. Okay? Eek. E. With the reka, it will come. With the e matra, it will come. Eek. Try, children, and then if you don't know, then you ask me, okay? Jad. Eek. E and then k. K say kargosh k. That k you have to write. This will be the answer. Can you see, children? Eek. Eek. Any doubts, children? If you have doubts, please ask me, children. Then only I will know how far you are clear about the concept. Eek. Yeah, good. Good, ma Sai Charan. Here I have written fifth word. Eek. Very good, children. Satvik, well done, ma. Grithvik also good. Dayanand. Roshan, Dayanand. Show me, Dayanand.
I am not finished.
Right.
Ma'am.
Laksh. Good luck. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arjun. So far, how many words you have finished, ma Arjun?
Ma'am.
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Two, ma'am.
5 letters. Yes, ma Arjun.
Ma'am.
Sorry. Dayanand, you must not split and write like that, Dayanand. That's why I'm asking you from the beginning. Don't split and write. Okay, that exercises we'll learn later, not now. Okay, you just write like this. Okay? When we finish all those Vyanjan letters, no? Then only we learn this blending words. Okay? Now we are going to make words using the letters we have learned so far. Okay, ma? So you just write the word alone. Yes? Good.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma Dayanand. Finish. Finish all those 5 words.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Namaste, ma'am.
Yeah, namaste. Raya, now only you're joining, huh? We are going to finish our dictation words today. Okay, very good, children. Now all of you corrected. Now tell me how many of you have got 5 out of 5. 5 out of
Me,
5.
me, 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 me.
How many of you have got 5 out of 5? Lux, very good. Grithvik, good. Very good, Grithvik. Next. How much you have got? Roshan, good. Masrin, how much you have got?
Ma'am.
7 got 5. Very good, 7. Arjun, 4. Which mistake? Which one you made my mistake, Arjun?
எழுதிட்டியா?
Yes, ma? Jada. This Jad you made mistake, ah? Okay. Correct it, okay? Very good, Nivin. Very good, Arjun. Very genuinely written. Very good. Good children. Very good, everyone. Okay. Now close your notebook. I want you to take your textbook. Take your textbook. From T. We'll have a recap from T to N. Okay? T. Page number is 26. T, who is going to read? Rayan, read the T pictures, ma. Rayan. T say. Rayan.
Ta say tum tum.
T say tum tum.
Tomato.
Hmm.
Ta say tomato.
Hmm.
Say button.
Button we don't want. Okay? Next one.
Tub.
Tub. Good.
Ta say tub.
Ah.
Ta say
T say Tahni.
tahani.
Tahni. Okay, very good. Next T. Next page.
Ma'am.
Shravan, come on, read this, Shravan. Look at your book and read.
Ta say
Louder, Shravan. Loudly, high pitch voice.
ta say tug.
Tug.
Ta say tappa.
Hmm.
Ta say taha.
Hmm.
Ta say tatera.
Hmm.
Ta say tahaka.
Very good, Shravan. Well done. Okay, next one is the. The page. The Arjun is going to read. Arjun. Arjun. Arjun is not there, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read Arjun. Read. Point out with your pointer finger and read.
Tamuru.
Damru. Okay. Next one. The say.
Dahlia.
The say. Dahlia. Okay. Next. The say. Arjun. The say duff. Correct? The say damru. The say duffly. The say dahlia. The say dagger. Dagger. Dagger you left, I think. Okay. Very good, Arjun. Very good. Well done. Good boy. Next is this the. Who is going to read? This is Lakshraj. Laksh.
Dukan and Dalan.
Dosa.
Dalan. The say. How will you read?
Dosa.
Dose Dukan
जल्दी बोलते हैं
Dalan.
क्या? ऐसे नहीं बोलते. स्लोली बोलना चाहिए, ठीक है? द से
Dose Dukan.
ढक्कन.
Dose Duck. Dalan.
Dalan. Okay. Next is Na. Who is going to read? Roshan. Roshan.
Read.
Na say. Ah. Ah. Super. Trinan. Trinan. Okay. Very good. Very good, my children. Now take your writing notebook. Candy notebook. Candy notebook. Homework. Those are sent is Masvin, Sai Charan, Shravan, Satvik, Roshan, Gritvik, and lastly Ryan has sent his homework. From others, I didn't get the homework at all. Why was that? Children, when you repeatedly write, only you will get that practice. Arjun, Daksaj, Nivin, Dayanand, you didn't send your homework, children. Okay, so please do
I
it.
will send today, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will send today, ma'am.
Okay, do it and send it by today. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, very good. That's the spirit, Makana. Okay, now take your the page. This Dolak page. This the say Dolak. The- You finished, Dayanand? This page also you finished?
Yes, sir.
Both the pages are very good. Good. The page you are going to write now. Only this page. Those who didn't write, I am telling you, write this page now. And this page is going to be your homework. For all the letters, we have two pages, children. One page we'll do it in the class. In the next page, you have to take it as homework. Okay? This page, Dolak page, you have to take and you have to write the. Write today's date below and then you write.
say
Thursday,
Dakkan na movie. Thursday.
Thursday,
Madam,
Yes, ma Lakshraj, any doubts?
Thursday, Dakkan.
Spell and write. Very good, Arjun.
Thursday, Dakkan.
Ryan, spell out and write. The.
Dakkan. Thursday, Dakkan.
The.
Pencil box.
Sitting line, standing line, and a curve. The. That's it. Very easy to write. Right fast, Ryan. I'm looking at you, right?
Dakkan. Dakkan.
What happened, Roshan? Why you are smiling? Instead of writing, Ryan is doing all the work. Right fast. Let me see who is going to finish first. Ryan, you will only finish, no, Ryan? Yes or no?
I writing, ma'am.
I am writing, ma'am.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, right.
I am writing. I am doing. I am தப்பா சொன்னேன் பாத்தியா?
Very sincerely writing everyone. Very good. Finish fast, children. Another activity sheet you have. You can color your dolak afterwards, okay? Don't color it now.
I'll color afterwards.
Why?
Finish, Arjun.
Dakkan.
Ritvik, finish. Satvik. Ravan.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Laksh. Lakshraj. Bring any light colors, Lakshraj. Very good.
Ma'am.
Bring any light color pencil or crayon. Very good. Nevin, good.
Ma'am, I am thinking.
நல்ல கேள்விக்காங்க யாராச்சும் சொன்னாங்க.
Arjun, finish. Good. Those who have finished, take this page. Page number 51. Page number 51. Now page you will have.
பாரு 51 எடுப்பாங்க. இந்த 32 51 எடு. அப்படியே அந்த
Come
பக்கத்துல
on, everyone. Finish it fast.
51 எடு.
Don't do the activity until I tell you.
Ma'am.
Roshan, take page number 51. This page, ma.
இல்லம்மா.
Everyone have finished? Rayan,
இல்ல என்ன செய்யணும்?
தெரியல.
I'll tell you, Arjun. I'll tell you, wait. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Arjun. Still, many of you have not finished. Rayan is still writing.
Ma'am, I finished.
Roshan finished. Yeah, good. Sai Charan finished. Yeah, good, ma.
I finished. I then
Yeah, Satvik also. Good. Take this page number 51. Okay, Satvik? And I take a color pencil or crayon. It should be a light color. Don't take dark colors. Take light colors like yellow, pink, like that. Don't take dark colors. Otherwise, if you color, no, this letter will hide itself here. It will be very dark, so you can't see that letter. So use a light color crayon or color pencil. Okay, those are writing. You write, I think only 2 of you are writing. Okay, finish it. Others, come on, write your date here first. First, write your date here. And you have some letters in this box. Okay, what you are going to do is, you have to find out the same letter. Here you have ch. Yes or no, you have ch here. So you have to find out where is the another ch, and you are going to color it with the same color. Here you have another ch, right? So this and this you are going to color with the same color. Okay, light colors only. Pink, yellow, like that you have to take and color. Light green, light blue, like that take and color. Each letter you will have a pair of each letter here. So same letters, the same color you have to give. If you are coloring ch with yellow, you have to find out another ch here and color it also with yellow. Okay, and if you are going to color j with light green, find where is another j and you are going to color it with light green again. Same colors only you have to give. Don't give different colors. Understood? Any doubts you have? Any doubts?
No,
children?
ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Come on, do
ma'am.
it. Finish it. One by one, finish it. You have to identify that letter also, children. That's very important. Which letter you are coloring, that you have to identify. Okay? Dakshraj, where is cha? Where is cha? Which box? Tell me in which box you have cha.
Peach color, ma'am.
Show me which box. Cha. Cha. Which is cha? This cha. Okay. Now second cha. Who is going to show me? Very good, Dakshraj. Second cha. Roshan.
Roshan, second cha. Cha. Show.
Cha.
Wait,
Where is
ma'am.
second cha?
Cha.
Yeah, good. Good. Color. Next. Sai Charan. Where is ja? Sai Charan, where is ja?
Wait, ma'am, I'm sorry. Wait, yeah.
Huh? Ah, correct. Good. Dayanand, where is ta? Ta. Ta. Lift it up and show. Not able to see. Ta. Ta. Where is ta? Okay, good. Very good. Ta. Good. Next is, I'm going to ask. Ryan, where is ja? Ja say janda. Ja. Ryan. Ryan.
Here, ma'am.
Where is ja say
Yeah, ma'am.
janda? Ja. That one, huh? Which is ja say janda? That is jahaj ja. Second ja. Second ja I'm asking. Janda. Which ja will come? Shoma. Search cha cha ja ja. Correct. Second ja. Very good. Do it. Do it. And next is Nya. Arjun, where is Nya? Arjun. Arjun, where is Nya?
Yeah.
Where is Nya, Arjun? Cha cha ja ja Nya.
இங்க இருக்கு பாரு.
Ah,
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I saw. Good. Finished? Who finished first? Let me see.
Ma'am, I finished.
Show me your book.
7, ma'am.
Wow, Shravan. It's looking really beautiful, Shravan. Nice. Very good.
அடுத்தது கட்டா படி.
Okay. Ma'am, Ritvik finished.
Show me, Grithvik. Very good, Grithvik. Well done. High five. Shravan. High five, Shravan.
Ma'am, sorry, Charan.
అయింది అలా చెయ్యి ఇలా పెట్టిస్తా ఇట్లా.
Shravan. Where is Shravan? Very good, Ma Sai Charan.
High five, ma'am.
High five, Shravan. Thank you, Shravan. Next, who finished? What are you doing with your camera, Shravan? Satvik, finish. Call and tell me, ma, if you have finished, children. I'm not able to see everyone in my screen.
Ma'am. I finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good. Living good. Sai Charan, sorry.
Looks like
Satvik.
ma'am.
Very good, Satvik. Correct.
Looks like ma'am.
Lux, very good, Lux.
Ma'am, I'm finished, ma'am.
Show me, Arjun. Very good, Arjun. And then Dayanand, I didn't see yours.
Ma'am, I
Roshan,
just finished.
Finished.
Roshan, Dayanand. Roshan, good. Very good, Roshan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. And then Ryan.
Doing ma'am.
Finisha. Very good, Ryan. Okay, children. Very good, children. And thank you so much. Shukriya.